Right, welcome back. Today we're checking out the very first episode of Chainsaw Man. Now, the only thing I know about this is that it is animated by a studio called MAPPA. And the guy has chainsaws, judging from the cover that I saw. I think he's got a chainsaw for a head, so I'm really interested to see what I'm getting myself into. I know this has been quite hyped up over the past couple of months, ever since the first trailer dropped a long time ago. Never did watch it. Wasn't too interested in anime back then, but now I'm here. Now I'm in. So, you know what? Let's not waste any time. Let's just go and make sure I click that first and go. Looks to be quite modern. Well, obviously chainsaw. Duh. I'm so used to Attack on Titan and Demon Slayer. Is this a horror? Could I have kept this for the spooky week? Seems really nicely drawn so far. Or I suppose it's not really... I don't know. I don't know how they do this stuff. What the hell was that? Was that a dog? What was that noise? 60,000 a month for cutting down trees. He has got a dog. You didn't actually steal your kidney, did you? What the hell? You sold your nut? Why does the dog have a chainsaw on his head? Dead Devils is really good for about 300,000. What? Why is the dog got a ripcord in its ass? Oh, what an intro. What the hell is going on? Left with so many questions. I am gonna skip this because I don't want any spoilers. A tomato devil. Damn! Oh, bitch! I was so confused. He's a very slow walker, isn't he? Why are they looking at him? Why not looking at him? Why are they following him? Oh, that sucks. It's a pet devil. No, don't do it, my guy. Don't whore yourself. Oh my god. My guy. You know what you need? You need to sign up for the Squid Games. That's a fair bit of money. What a shit life to lead, huh? You think it's bad just in America, but it can be bad all over, huh? His dad. This guy's a prick. Well, it's literally called a chainsaw, huh? No, maybe not. Maybe he was just looking at the chainsaw. Oh, it was wounded. So he took it in and cared for it. Go to him, he can barely move. You gotta give him those terms before he does it. Honestly, just start robbing stuff at this point, eh? Is he ill? Is his hand pulsing? What time is it? Has this man had any sleep? He hasn't even got a pillow. He just props his mattress up. This is really nice looking. Like, especially the reflection in the window there. That was really good. So on the poster I put up, well, no, on the poster I saw when I was downloading this, there was him and a chainsaw head thing. Now, are they like the same? Do they switch forms, or does he? Is this the devil perhaps that he's gonna find now? And they come together for some reason. I don't know. There is no devil. Yeah, he's backstabbing him. Rev that thing up. Literally backstab. Not the dog. What the hell? So you made a deal with the devil? Oh God! Why would you stab your devil hunter in the back then to become like that? What are you thinking? You dumbass! Did he realize? God. This is gonna be a horror, isn't it? And these guys are fighting with that big guy was creepy as hell. I don't see how he gets out of this. He must meet that other devil in here then. Or have you stabbed the dog? Oh shit. Oh God. Oh. Yeah. Holy fuck. Oh my Jesus. This is brutal as hell. Is that it? I thought he was the main character. Oh no, he's still here. We're still... What's happening? He was tossed in the dumpster. Oh, he's still alive. Can't blood heal the dog? Well, didn't even die fighting. Is that what happens? Holy shit. He did, he took over. So is that the end of Denji though? Does it... Or are they gonna... Like I said before, are they gonna fuse and be two? Or will his consciousness just be completely gone and replaced by the dog? I can talk! I bet you didn't expect that. Oh wow. So it is Denji. And the dog's gone, who sort of went into you. Yeah. So he pulls that and then turns into Chainsaw Dude? Chainsaw Fella? I bet this would be a sick transformation. Come on. Oh, what? What? He's gonna burst out. Right, a chainsaw's just gonna come splitting through one of them. And he's gonna... Come on. I can hear it. I can hear it revving up. Oh my god. Holy shit. That is grotesque. No, not quite. He's like half and half, isn't he? Oh my god, right in the eye. Holy shit. But slice his fools up. As if that's going to do anything. Now find the guy that did this to you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so damn smooth! Right through the brain! Oh, there he is. Put him down. Oh, nice headbutt. Oh my god. That was amazing. Holy shit. Can't you see the blood? He did this. Well, he is half and half. Will he go back to normal? Yeah, oh my god, it just melts away, huh? Dealt with, mate. Completed it. Or come work with us. I like that's a good deal. And you get some nice money from it. Keep you. Well, you wanted a nice woman that I called a guy earlier on. Whoops. That's what he wants. He wants bread with jam. No, is that it? Oh my god. That was amazing. That was amazing. It was so brutal and gory. I was not expecting that, but it's so damn cool. Ah, oh, and then we gotta wait weekly. See, with Attack on Titan and Demon Slayer, I can watch 4 in a row. But I have to wait weekly for this one, and that is gonna hurt. But Hot Shit was awesome, and it sounds like it's gonna be. The hiccups, it looks like it's going to be worth it. Oh my god, that was... What a first episode. What a first episode. What's... This or Attack... I still think Attack on Titan takes the best... Takes the cake for the best first episode, but this was absolutely amazing. I'm so into this. Can't believe how... Like, I know Attack on Titan was brutal, but it wasn't that gory. You know what I mean? Like, this was just full on nuts to butts, blood everywhere, guts, bodies flying about the bit, sliced in half, eyeballs being chainsawed out. Ah. God damn. If you want to check out my Patreon, you can get unedited and uncut reactions to this, amongst many, many others. Mostly early as well, apart from this and Spy Family, they're going to get uploaded as soon as possible, so the YouTube crowd can enjoy as well. All right, goodbye.